Imagine being promised a kingdom as a teenager, but spending your 20s living in caves, running for your life, and serving as a mercenary. That was David's reality, but in 1 Chronicles 11, the running stops. This is the moment where the shepherd boy finally becomes the shepherd king, and a fractured nation finally says with one voice, "We are your own flesh and blood." Let's travel back to the ancient Near East, around 1000 BC, a turning point for the Israelites. For years, they were a loose confederation of 12 tribes, led by judges and then King Saul, whose reign ended in disaster. The nation is fractured, the Philistines control key territories, and Israel's future is uncertain. Jerusalem, a strategic city held by the Jebusites, stands as the key to uniting the tribes. David, already king of Judah in Hebron, has proven himself a skilled leader and warrior. The northern tribes, leaderless after Saul, look to David as their hope for unity. The elders of all Israel travel to Hebron with a single purpose: to anoint David as king over a united nation. This moment marks the end of division and the beginning of a new era. David's rise will not only change his life but set the course for Israel's future. The decision to crown David is the culmination of years of conflict and hope. Jerusalem's fate and Israel's destiny hangs in the balance. The stage is set for transformation. The story of David's kingship begins here. The tribes unite, pledging loyalty to David in Hebron. They recall his victories and God's promise, "You will shepherd my people Israel." David makes a covenant with them and is anointed king over all Israel. But Hebron is too southern, too tribal. David needs a new, central capital. His eyes turn to Jerusalem, a fortress the Jebusites mock as impregnable. David challenges his men. Whoever leads the attack will become commander. Joab, his nephew, seizes the moment, leading a daring assault, possibly through a hidden water shaft. The city falls. David claims the stronghold, renaming it the City of David. Jerusalem becomes the political and spiritual heart of Israel. David's power grows, seen as a sign of divine favor. The capture of Jerusalem unites the nation and cements David's authority. A new capital, a new era. Israel is transformed. The City of David will echo through history. A king's strength lies in his warriors. 1 Chronicles 11 introduces David's mighty men, elite soldiers whose deeds become legend. These men are the backbone of David's rule. They include the 30 led by Abishai, each with their own stories of valor. Their loyalty and bravery are the foundation of the new kingdom. They come from diverse tribes, united under David. This roll of honor shows David's success was built on unity and shared sacrifice. Their names and deeds inspire generations. David's kingdom is not built by one man, but by many. The mighty men are the pillars of Israel's new era. Their legacy endures. David's challenges demanded extraordinary loyalty. The Jebusite fortress seemed unbreakable, but Joab's bold assault proved otherwise. Even after victory, threats from the Philistines loomed. One story stands out. While hiding from the Philistines near Bethlehem, David longs for water from his hometown well. 3 of his elite warriors risk everything, breaking through enemy lines to bring him water. David, moved by their devotion, refuses to drink it, pouring it out as an offering to God. This act reveals the deep bond between David and his men. Their bravery is matched by David's humility and reverence. Loyalty, sacrifice, and honor define this new kingdom. In David's reign, courage and devotion go hand in hand. These stories become the heart of Israel's legacy. 1 Chronicles 11 is more than history, it's a foreshadowing. David, the shepherd king, unites Israel, prefiguring Jesus, the good shepherd. David's longing for water and his men's sacrifice echo in Jesus' offer of living water and his own sacrifice on the cross. The mighty men's loyalty mirrors the devotion of Christ's followers. David's earthly kingdom points to a greater, eternal kingdom. The story of David sets the stage for the Messiah, the Son of David. Every act of courage and unity in David's reign finds deeper meaning in the story of Jesus. The legacy of David is both a foundation for Israel and a prophecy of hope. From Jerusalem's capture to the well at Bethlehem, these stories echo through faith and history. David's crown foreshadows a greater king to come as the story continues. Now the question is, are you ready to continue? Just click here and come along with me to the next chapter.